Wow, those are so good. It's officially winter time. It's full-on winter, so we're going to Starbucks. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Tiana, and if you guys are returning, it's nice to see you guys again. I'm excited because fall's gone. Honestly, fall is gone for me. I'm Canadian. It's not here no more. It's snowing out. I will show you guys the snow in like a second. You guys can probably see it snowing, which means one thing. It's time to try some Starbucks holiday drinks. Now, I am not like a huge coffee person, and I'm also like, I have a problem with lactose. I just get completely bloated. So I'm gonna go try whatever type of holiday drinks that they have, or maybe holiday like food, like goodies, and I'm gonna try and get them as lactose free as I can. Whatever drinks I don't finish, I don't like, nothing's gonna go to waste because my boyfriend actually wants to try some also, so don't worry, nothing's gonna go to waste. But I'm gonna go try and get whatever I can that's like a holiday theme, try them out and test them. I thought that'd be just a fun video because you guys, it's snowing. I have to show you. Look at the snow. So I am going to cross the street, go get some drinks, come back, and we're gonna try them out. I don't know if I want to try them here or if I want to try them at his house. I guess I will see, and we'll go from there. We're back after that whole walk. Like, I got snowed on so bad. So they didn't have any holiday like treats. Maybe they were sold out, maybe they didn't get them yet. I don't know, but I've actually never had anything from Starbucks, only done like 3 drinks. So I got a chocolate and a vanilla cake pop. I didn't know there was different kinds, so I got 2. I think I'm gonna try the pink one, and I'm gonna save the chocolate one for Owen. So, or maybe I'll try a bite of each. Let's see. Okay. I never knew why people were like obsessed with them. Now I do. Okay. I'm gonna try a bite of the chocolate one and see what one I like better. If you've never had one, the batter on the inside is so soft. And the chocolate, like, there's a nice layer of chocolate. It's so good. It's focusing on my face, and I want it to focus on the cake pop, but like, oh, there we go. You see that? Sorry if you can hear that. The wind is so strong. Like, the weather's not nice out. I'm heading home soon. But anyway, this here is the Grande Peppermint Mocha. Now, it has lactose-free milk. Like I said, I'm lactose-free. I try and get it as lactose-free as possible. They asked me twice, which is so nice, if I wanted the whipped cream on top or not, because I'm lactose-free. And because I don't plan on drinking both of these, I said no, put the whipped cream on. I'm just gonna try and have it as lactose free as possible, and then once I decide what one I'll have, I will just take one of like the little lactose pills to like digest it better so I don't get bloated. So I'm gonna try the peppermint mocha. I'm not sure how this is gonna be. That's not bad. I could probably drink that. Like, that's really good. Okay, so it honestly tastes like a really good coffee with a hint of peppermint, and it's just so even and smooth. Like, it's not like you're drinking like 2 different things. You're drinking like one thing. Like, it's so good. Wow. Let's see how the other one tastes. Like, it tastes good, don't get me wrong. I don't think I get it all the time. So now this one is what I came here for. Like, this is the only reason why I came to Starbucks. This is the Grande Caramel Creme Brulee. So it's the creme brulee one. I'm so excited. I just want to try this, and I hope it's good. Oh, that's good. This tastes just like a hot caramel. But in all honesty, I'd probably take the peppermint one first. This just... these are good. These are really, really good. So in total, I spent $18 on 2 cake pops and 2 grande drinks. I think Starbucks is something that you don't get all the time, but when you want to try something, you try it. So all in all, the caramel one for me, it's like you get a real good hint of like a real caramel, not like an artificial sweet one, like a real nice caramel. And a hint of coffee. Oh, it tastes good. So all in all for me, I think I would finish the peppermint one. I like it. Creme brulee one is good. Oh, you guys, I wanted to try a hot chocolate. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. If you guys enjoyed this video and seeing me trying out these two, let me know in the comments, because I will come back and I will definitely try a hot chocolate, a white hot chocolate, and maybe something else from Starbucks. Let me know what you like to get in the comments down below, and I will try and get them. So personally, I'm going to give the peppermint mocha a 9 out of 10, and I'm going to give the creme brulee one an 8 out of 10. These were really, really good for me. I'm not going to give them 10 out of 10s, only because it's not something I could have every single day, but it's definitely something I can have once a week. Like, wow, those are so good. So let me know in the comments, guys, down below what ones you have, what you've tried, what you like. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If it gets to 20 thumbs up, I will come next week and I will get the hot chocolate, maybe a white hot chocolate, and something else to test out. Maybe they'll have their holiday treats, like their cookies or something by then. Make sure to go follow me on my social medias, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I gotta take the sleeves off to make a thumbnail.